Message for Harley-Davidson. It's your boy Bandit 77. Trying to get on still. Can't get no response from Harley. What? Harley-Davidson, where you at? Bandit 77 knocking. Where you at, baby? Put me in. Don't play. Put me in. Who got the drip? Whoop, whoop. It's your boy Bandit. That's who. I always stay in that. Always stay in that Harley drip. Always represent the bike. 23 Street Glide ST. What? It's your boy Bandit. Put me on. I'm gonna sell them bikes. Put me in, Harley. Don't play. Put me in. I'm trying to work for Harley, y'all, and I love it. Put me in. Say what?